Monday the 13th of July until Friday the 17th, it's the official Welsh Youth Parliament week. The week will be filled with activities, daily challenges and sessions that you, the young people of Wales, can take part in. The sessions will include topics such as mental health, climate change, plastic waste, votes at 16 and much, much more. You can take part by following the instructions and timetables on our social media on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. You can try our daily challenges, sign up for discussions and debates and fill in our questionnaires that can be found on social media. Also a chance for you to learn from organisations that specialise in mental health and plastic waste. Come take part and enjoy.
We have got a very busy week on our hands with the Welsh Youth Parliament week, and we want you to take part, as there's panels and workshops and everything in between going on. So please, go on our Twitter, @Welsh Youth Pal, at our Instagram, @Welsh Youth Parliament, or at our website, www.youthparliament.wales, for any further information you may need for the ongoing events this week.
This week is the Senedd Youth Parliament week, and there are loads of events and workshops taking place. Please make sure you take part in those workshops, and there'll be live consultation on the issues of particular priority by the Youth Parliament, issues around mental health and young people, and also waste and plastic waste in particular. There'll also be an event again with the First Minister, the Youth Parliament, and the First Minister will meet to discuss coronavirus issues along with the Minister for Education and the Minister for International Affairs and the Welsh language. And also towards the end of the week, there'll be a discussion on votes at 16-17 that'll be introduced for Senedd elections next year. So plenty going on. Make sure as young people in Wales you have the opportunity to take part in all of these events. So please register, please take part. We want to hear what you have to say.
Obviously, with the context of the current situation and the coronavirus, the Welsh Youth Parliament is working remotely to continue its work on priority issues and want to hear from young people. We're still here to support and listen to young people on these matters.
Obviously at the moment, life is still a bit hard, with coronavirus still affecting us all in Wales. But we, as the Welsh Youth Parliament, are still working hard, having meetings on Microsoft Teams and having meetings with Senedd members. And we are ensuring that your voices are still being heard across Wales. So please, send in your opinions, send in your thoughts, and we will be the platform for your voices to be heard.